What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image in Canva. So if you want one of those images where you have a really nice subject or product, and then you have a really pretty background, either a white background or a colored background like this, I'm going to show you how to do that in Canva, and you can literally do it in about 1 minute. So I will preface by saying that my internet is being really bad today, so I might have some internet issues, so just bear with me. So the first thing that you want to do is basically you want to have your images uploaded into Canva. So you just click upload media and your images will get dragged in there. For a background image, there's a few ways you can do this, but let's just keep it super simple as I like to do. Go to this colored background, or sorry, you basically click the block that you have. Why is it giving me a timer? Sorry. And then you click a color here. So for me, I just want a very pale neutral background. Any background that you want will work fine here. If you just want a white background, that will work too. So I'm going to choose this like pale peachy, or not even peach, very pale pink color. And then what I want to do is go to my uploads over here and I want to add my image. So I like to basically zoom in first. Because sometimes I find what happens is if you remove the background and then you start zooming in, it removes what you've just done. But let's just see what happens today. Let's just try it out. I want to also show you what happens when there's errors with Canva so you can know what to do, because I find that Canva sometimes, it's amazing, but it can be a little bit problematic. So you click edit image and then you click background remover. And I've already tried to do this video twice today and it keeps not working because of my internet. I don't know what's going on with my internet today. So let's hope it works now. I'm crossing my fingers. All right, there we go. Okay, awesome. So now let's see if it does not ruin the image. So like I said, sometimes if you then zoom in on the product, it will like delete what you've done. So let's just see. And for an image, just a rule of thumb, if this is a product image, you want to make sure the product is very zoomed in. So no matter what type of image you're basically, let's see if it deletes it. Okay, it worked. Yay. All right, so now you can see the before and after. So now we have a really pretty background with a zoomed in product and, model, dog, human, whatever. And this is the before. So you can see here how you can really transform images quickly with this background remover. So let's do one more. I'm going to choose a different image this time. So I'm just going to duplicate this inside Canva. I'm going to get rid of this image and I'm going to choose a different one just to show you an example. Let's say we want to just have a white background. We have a product that we want to add to our website. We need a white background. So let's see what we can do here. If I have another image I can show you. Otherwise, I will go back to my dog images and I'll just use one of those again. It just kind of depends on what I already have inside Canva. And then, like I said, if it's like a super busy image, the background remover might not work. So that's like an FYI. It pulls from the background. So you might want something that's in the background and Canva will just pull it right out. So you have to be a little bit careful what type of images you use. So I feel like all these images here are very, very busy. So let's just go back up to what I had before. So let's try one more of these dogs. So let's try, let's try this one. Let's see what happens. This might not be a great image to use, but we'll just try. So I'm going to add my image into the block. I'm going to move the dog down a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add the background first. So for this, let's say we want to do something a little bit brighter. Slightly brighter. Okay. All right, now let's edit the image again. So we click edit image and then you click background remover one more time. And hopefully this works fine. This should work okay. See how it's like a background just with cabinets and a rug? So these are great images that generally work well. Okay, so now it's not working again. Let me see if I cut the image down if it works. So like I said, with Canva, like you have to play around sometimes. Sometimes things don't work and you have to just try, like adjust a little bit and then try again. So if I get error things, then I just try, like maybe if I move the image around, or maybe it really is an internet issue. I'm not sure. I'll try one more time and then I will end this video for today, because I think you got the gist of how to do this, but I like to always give multiple examples of how to do something, because sometimes one image works and another image doesn't really look quite great. All right, guys, this is not quite working. So again, just as a recap, I'm going to show you the image that we had. To remove the background, you add the background color, you add the dog, or sorry, not the dog, you add the product picture, you click edit image, you remove background, and that's it. Like, it's that simple. And you can get beautiful images like these in like 30 seconds. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you loved it, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for all things subscription box and e-commerce. See you guys later.